Italy, a country that has been capturing hearts and imaginations for centuries. From the majestic Alps to the shimmering Mediterranean, every corner of Italy tells a tale, whether in its bustling cities, ancient ruins, or tranquil countryside. Join me today as we embark on a journey through time, exploring a land where history, culture, innovation, and natural beauty merge into one. Rome, the eternal city. Let's start in the heart of Italy, Rome. Close your eyes and imagine yourself walking through its narrow cobbled streets, each step steeped in history. Towering above you is the Colosseum, a magnificent reminder of the ancient Roman Empire. You can almost hear the roar of the crowds as gladiators once battled for honor and survival. But look around you, Rome is more than just an ancient relic. It's a city that buzzes with modern life. Chic cafes, art galleries, and trendy boutiques line the streets, and at any moment, you might catch sight of the Vatican City looming in the distance. Its grandeur reminding you that this city has also been the heart of spiritual power for centuries. Rome is often referred to as the Eternal City, a name that reflects both its timeless beauty and the fact that it's been continuously inhabited for over 2,000 years. From the Pantheon, an ancient temple-turned-church, to the bustling Piazza Navona, where locals and tourists alike enjoy gelato under the shade of Baroque fountains, Rome is a testament to Italy's ability to balance the old and the new. Venice, a city on water. Let's glide north to the magical city of Venice, a place unlike anywhere else in the world. Imagine drifting through narrow canals on a gondola, the buildings rising dramatically from the water as they have for hundreds of years. Venice is a floating masterpiece, a labyrinth of bridges and alleyways that seem to defy both time and nature. At the heart of it all is St. Mark's Square, where tourists gaze in awe at the grandeur of St. Mark's Basilica, its golden mosaics shimmering in the sunlight. Venice, much like Rome, has its roots deep in history, but in a very different way. It was once a maritime empire, controlling trade routes across the Mediterranean. Today, it stands as a symbol of beauty, art, and romance. But the city is also a reminder of the challenges that Italy and the world face as rising sea levels threaten its fragile ecosystem. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. Now, we journey to the heart of Tuscany, to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. This city is like a living museum, where art, history, and architecture converge in the most breathtaking way. Florence is home to the Uffizi Gallery, where masterpieces by Michelangelo, Da Vinci, and Botticelli grace the walls, their timeless beauty reminding us of the cultural rebirth that began here. It was in Florence that the Medici family, one of the most powerful and influential families in Europe, fostered the growth of the arts and sciences during the 14th and 15th centuries. Walking through the city, you're surrounded by architectural marvels like the Florence Cathedral, with its towering dome designed by Brunelleschi, or the Ponte Vecchio, a medieval stone bridge lined with shops selling jewelry, art, and souvenirs. The beauty of Tuscany and its countryside. As we leave Florence, the Tuscan countryside stretches before us, with its rolling hills, vineyards, and olive groves. This is the Italy you've seen in movies, endless green landscapes, where time seems to slow down. Wine has been made here for centuries, and Tuscany produces some of the finest wines in the world, such as Chianti and Brunello di Montalcino. In every town you pass, from Siena to San Gimignano, you'll find narrow streets lined with stone buildings, family-run trattorias serving homemade pasta, and open-air markets filled with fresh produce. Tuscany is a place where life is lived slowly, where meals are savored and sunsets are never rushed. The Amalfi Coast and Sicily. Further south, the landscape changes dramatically as we arrive at the Amalfi Coast. Here, the cliffs plunge into the azure waters of the Mediterranean, and pastel-colored villages cling precariously to the mountainsides. This is Italy at its most dramatic and beautiful. Positano, Amalfi, and Rivello are just a few of the small towns dotting the coastline. each offering breathtaking views, delicious seafood, and a taste of La Dolce Vita. Across the sea lies Sicily, an island rich in history and culture. Sicily was once the crossroads of the Mediterranean, ruled by Greeks, Romans, Arabs, and Normans, each leaving behind their mark the form of temples, castles, and stunning cathedrals. Today, Sicily is known for its vibrant street markets, volcanic landscapes dominated by Mount Etna, and of course, its cuisine. From fresh seafood to sweet cannoli, Sicily offers a culinary experience unlike any other. Milan and Turin, Italy's modern heartbeat. As we move north once again, we find ourselves in the bustling cities of Milan and Turin. Milan, Italy's fashion capital, is sleek and modern, a city that pulses with energy. It's here that the world's most famous designers showcase their work during Fashion Week, and where you'll find the latest trends in art, architecture, and technology. Turin, on the other hand, is Italy's industrial powerhouse, home to the Fiat automobile company and the growing tech scene. In recent years, Turin has redefined itself as a center of innovation, especially in the fields of robotics and AI. Yet, even in these modern cities, the past is never far away. In Milan, you can visit Da Vinci's famous The Last Supper, and in Turin, you can explore the city's rich history, from Roman ruins to Baroque palaces. Italy in 2024, a nation embracing the future. Today, Italy is more than just a country of ancient monuments and picturesque landscapes. It's a place that embraces the future. In 2024, events like Make Italia Rome, Italy's commitment to innovation, from AI to healthcare advancements. This is a country that balances its rich past with a dynamic and forward-looking vision. Yet, even as Italy leads in fields like technology and fashion, it remains deeply connected to its traditions. Festivals celebrating local food, wine, and music are still at the heart of Italian life. And whether you're attending the Rome Film Festival, exploring the ancient ruins of Pompeii, or hiking in the Dolomites, you'll find that Italy offers a unique experience, one where every day feels like a journey through time. Italy is not just a place, it's a feeling. It's the warmth of the sun setting over a vineyard, the laughter of friends gathered around a table, the quiet awe of standing before a work of art that has endured for centuries. Italy is a country that lives and breathes history, yet it's also a country that's constantly reinventing itself. So whether you come for the art, the food, the landscapes, or the people, one thing is certain: Italy will stay with you long after you've left. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through Italy, a land where the past and the future are woven together in perfect harmony. From the ancient streets of Rome to the cutting-edge innovations of Milan, Italy is a place that leaves a lasting mark on everyone who visits. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the beauty, history, and culture of this incredible country for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more exciting content like this. Let us know in the comments, what part of Italy would you like to explore the most? Until next time, arrivederci.